Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'd like to give you a couple of tricks to help create the mood for Clair de Lune and to make it easier to play, actually. The piece is in 9/8 time, and so if I can put it to simple time and think of 3 beats per bar, and each of those beats, of course, is worth 3/8. So, and there's the 9. So with each third of the bar, if I can think of my whole body swaying from one side to the other, then I stand a chance of letting the piece dream. If I can imagine dreaming, and while I'm dreaming, I'm giving the body, my body, time to sway the full distance from left to right or from right to left for that third of the bar. And then when I can hear the simple right hand within the 16th of the left, it all fits and balances and gives me time to breathe at the ends of the phrases, and even in the middle section, which is so difficult. So I'll just play it through, and I may stop, I don't know, we'll see what happens. But just to give you the idea of how you can make this piece much simpler than it appears by putting it into simple time, even though it's written in compound time. And you do, in the end, have to be aware of it being in 9/8 time. So we give it a try. Hope you enjoy it. So I hope that you can hear the 3 in each bar when I'm playing it this time. And I'm trying to simplify it so that I can hear those large body movements and take the time to allow them to happen, even if there are only 2 notes within the sway for the melody. Well, the left hand has all those 16th notes, 6 of them in one sway, 1 and 2 and 3, and then there's 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9. So it does simplify it and makes it easier in the difficult part to figure it out, because there's a balance then between the thirds of the bar in the difficult part as well as in the simple part. Anyway, I hope you got something from that. Have a good night. Bye-bye.